So today we will see how to restrict someone from copying or editing the data within your Excel sheet. Okay, so this is a data and you want that nobody should be able to, edit the data or copy the data from your Excel sheet. So basically we would be putting a password. So that way you can restrict. How to do that? Very easy. First thing that you have to do is select the data set that you want to restrict. Let's say I want to restrict the entire data set, so I'll select everything. Let's say if you want to restrict a particular cell or a column, you just select that. I want to restrict everything, so I've selected the entire table. Then right click, go to format cells, then move to this protection tab and just see that if this locked checkbox should be checked. So we have this checked, so I will click OK. Please remember, if this is not checked, it will not work. Okay, so it is checked, so I click OK. The next thing that you need to do is go to this review tab, and you can see there is an option which is called as product sheet. So I'll click on this protect sheet option. As you can see, protect worksheet and contents of locked cells. So the checkbox is telling what we want. So let's give this a password. So let's say I've given this a password. I click OK. I need to re-enter the password. So I have confirmed the password. Now, if you try to copy this, you're getting a message. The cell or the chart you're trying to change on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter a password. So it is right, correct? So you would not be able to change the data. That means now you are not able to edit or copy the data. Okay, how to unlock this sheet? Again, what we have to do is go to review tab, click on unprotect sheet, and again provide the password, click OK, and that's it. Now if you see, now you are able to update the data. So that's how it works. So I want you to practice it. Okay, there will be a one day in your life when this would be useful, and at that time you will be thanking me. So thank me later, and thank you so much for watching.